Alright, welcome guys to a brand new video. It's me, your boy Michael, and today we are outside and I have a Segway. This is what it looks like. Take a look at the gloriness. I'm going to step on it and ride it. And we're going to drive around town. And now we stay where we need to go. Wait. The car just stopped out of nowhere. Why is he doing that? Whatever. Alright. Going around outside. Going through outside. Going to turn all the way. Get the breeze. Yeah. This is how I drive. So now I'm going to show you guys my skill. Alrighty. So we are just going to drive into the road. You guys stay right there. Ready? Now you guys want to see how it's like to drive all around town at the world side of us. Because Alright, so now that you have seen the outside nature inside of the world, I will see you guys in the next video. Maybe we'll do some more series of riding